guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, I just want to say thank you for your love, for your support. I so much appreciate. So in today's video, we are going to make plantain moi-moi. Plantain moi-moi in Benin, we call it emieki. It's so easy to make and so fast. And if you want to make it, you need overripe plantain. That is the perfect plantain you're going to use, as you can see here. So guys, let me introduce you to all the other ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. These are all the ingredients that I'm going to use. I have some plantain flour, I have some prawns, some crayfish, some bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, Maggi cubes, salt, palm oil, onions, and some cooked beans. So guys, these are the leaves that I'm going to use to wrap our plantain moi-moi. And in Benin, we call this leaf a bieba. If you don't have this leaf, you can also use aluminium plate or a plastic bag. It's still good for it. You can use any of those ones. So guys, I'm just going to peel off the plantain, then I'll cut it into a little pieces so that I can able to blend it very well. So now I'm going to blend the plantain. I'll add my Scotch bonnet, the crayfish, bell pepper, onion, Maggi cubes. I'm just going to blend everything together so that everything will mix well together. I'm just going to add the plantain flour. So guys, the plantain is well blended. I'm going to add some salt, some prawns. I'll add the beans. And I'll pour in my palm oil, and I will give it a nice good stir so that everything will mix together very well. I'll add some water. I'm just going to wrap it with this leaf. I don't really know, I'm not good at this, I don't really know how to wrap it very well, but I'll try my best. So guys, my water has been boiling for about 10 minutes, and I put this stick that I used to do my stick meat under the pot. This will prevent water to go inside the plantain moi-moi. So I'm going to leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, our plantain moi-moi is ready. I'm just going to leave it to cool down very well. then it's set to eat. Thank you for watching. Please, before you leave, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also share it to anywhere you wish to share it to, social medias, Facebook, Instagram. Share it to your friends and families. And also don't forget, please guys, to subscribe to my channel, and also remember to hit the notification bell so that you never miss any of my video, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always taste.